What is cryptocurrency?
I think it's a scam. I lost all my monies. Anything online is a scam.
Don't go into cryptocurrency.
Wait. Yo, what if I tell you there's money you can't see, you can't touch, but people are using it to buy pizza, cars, and even mansions? Wait, I'm gonna break cryptocurrency down in the next 7 minutes like I'm explaining to my little cousin. Let's go. The term cryptocurrency has two parts: crypto and currency. Crypto comes from the word cryptography. Cryptography is just a fancy word for saying secret codes or encryption. And currency simply means money, like dollars, euros, and pounds. So let's put it together. Cryptocurrency, money that has been protected by secret codes. It means that this particular currency is super secure, just that it's 100% online. So what makes it so super secure? Cryptocurrency runs on something called blockchain. And what is this thing called blockchain that crypto runs on? So let me explain it like this. Think of blockchain as a chain connecting digital blocks. So each digital block contains a transaction info. Example, who sent a crypto, who received a crypto, amount sent, and when it happened. Wait. Don't think too much. You can also think of it like just a giant notebook, okay? That is recording a piece of transaction that everybody is making from any part of the world. That is why it's a public notebook. So you can't erase it, you can't change it, you can't fake it. That makes it secure. So if somebody sends cryptocurrency from Afghanistan to somebody in Qatar, somebody who is in India will see that, oh, okay, this particular transaction went on. However, that person cannot change the details, cannot erase it, cannot fake it, you can't take it out. It is recorded on the blockchain forever. So in summary, there's nobody holding cryptocurrency like there's a third party like a bank where you put your money there and they will also send your money to another person. Or maybe you are sending mobile money, Western Union, there's a betweener. No. In cryptocurrency, there's nobody standing in between. Like thousands of computers all agree in one transaction. So you can't hack it. You can't go and hack one computer and another computer is just standing there. Because if it's a chain, you understand, you take one out, they have to all agree, you understand. It means that all the chains will come down, and as a matter of fact, they will be like, no, that's not real. They will join together. That's a blockchain, you understand. So it wouldn't happen. Like that makes it safe and transparent, you understand. Nobody can hack it. So feel free, it's the future. So unlike dollars and euros and pounds where we print them as paper money, cryptocurrency is not printed. It's 100% online. So the famous one is Bitcoin. But there are thousands of cryptocurrencies like Solana, ETHEREUM, Dogecoin, and even meme coins. So what makes crypto different from other currencies like the dollars, the euros? So normal money is run by the government and banks. They print it, freeze it, even charge fees. But cryptocurrency is decentralized. No single owner, just the internet and the people using it. So you can send it anywhere in the world in just few seconds, and it's gone. No banks, no weekends, no waiting. Even the fees are way less. And even if you don't have bank accounts, all you need is just a phone, internet, and you are in. Now let's roll it back to where it all started. Bitcoin in 2009. A mystery person named Satoshi Nakamoto created this after a big financial crisis. People were just tired of banks and messing up. Back then, one Bitcoin was less than a penny, but some early tech jigs like Hal Finney and Andreas Antonopoulos said, this is the future. Fast forward, in 2021, the price of one Bitcoin skyrocketed all the way up to $69,000 US. Damn! So one guy even bought one pizza with 10,000 Bitcoins. It means that right now, that same pizza would have cost $600 million US. So the question is cryptocurrency a scam? Let me answer this question by simple facts. Even the US government, the Chinese government, the central banks like JP Morgan, they are building stuff with it. They are making policies, investing in it, and even creating their own digital currencies. But wait. In as much as crypto is not a scam, not everyone gets rich. While some are losing money, some are also making money. It's about how you invest. Just learn the game and play it smart. So the cryptocurrency itself is not a scam, but it depends on how you play the game. So you may ask, how do I play the same game? So with cryptocurrency, you can use it to buy things, send it to friends, or even invest in it, kind of buying stocks. So you buy low and sell high. Some people even earn with it daily. It all depends on you. So in as much as people are buying low and selling high, others are also buying high and selling low. That is where the problem is. So when people buy high and sell low, then they say, oh, crypto is a scam. Crypto is a scam. Oh, damn. What about someone who bought low and sold high? And you came to buy high and the person sold low. So it depends on you. So in this particular video, I'm not going to give much details on how you can trade cryptocurrencies, but in my subsequent videos, I want you to subscribe. I'm going to give you much details on how you can trade this particular cryptocurrencies and make money. However, I also have this video there where I show you how you can send money to friends using cryptocurrency. You can check it out. So in summary, let's do a recap. Cryptocurrency simply means digital money plus secret codes. You can use it, you can send it to friends, you can invest in it. It's powerful and it's the future. But like with money, anything that has to do with money, know what you are doing. Smash the like button, send it to your friend, the one who thinks that cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is a video game. Drop your crypto question in the comment section. Until then, see you in the next one.